When we realize our perspective of the stars encompasses only a tiny percentage of the total universe, it becomes evident with just one glance at the numerous formations in the cosmos that we're still far from having unlocked all the secrets of our galactic neighborhood. Each day, new planets are being discovered, and the chances of encountering one identical to Earth are exponentially high. Or have we already discovered one? Welcome to Cosmos Observer. In this video, we're discussing the new strange planet discovered by NASA, TIC 172900988b. This is not simply a bunch of letters. It's the name of a planet that NASA recently discovered. This planet is unusual because it's as huge around as Jupiter and is part of a fascinating system. The planet orbits two stars and crosses their faces as seen from Earth. For scientists, the system put on quite a display. They saw the two stars eclipse each other 3 times, while the planet made its route across one star and then over the other a few days later. Planetary transits are common to find exoplanets or planets orbiting other stars. NASA's Transiting Exoplanet Survey satellite or TESS scans thousands of stars at once, looking for the tiny drop in illumination that occurs when an orbiting planet crosses the face of its parent star. Since its inception in 2018, TESS has discovered over 150 confirmed exoplanets, including the new giant and approximately 3,500 exoplanet candidates awaiting confirmation. TESS's predecessor, the now retired Kepler Space Telescope, discovered thousands of exoplanets, but only about a dozen transiting circumbinary planets. The newly discovered planet, TIC 172900988b, is a gas giant about the size of Jupiter, but much more massive. It revolves around 2 sun-like stars, which in turn revolve around each other. This discovery, however, stands out even among the circumbinary. It takes around 200 days to complete one orbit around the 2 stars. Astronomers seeking to figure out the dynamics of this system would ordinarily face a significant challenge. They would have to wait 200 days. TESS, on the other hand, makes observations sector by sector. Thus, the scientists only had 30 days to observe the circumbinary planetary system before TESS moved on to another part of the sky. In the near-infrared section of the light spectrum, high-resolution photography showed what could be the 3rd star in the system. The star would have a very long orbit, circling both stars and the newly discovered planet for nearly 5,000 years. This ultra-cool star is just 30 times more massive than the vast planet and has a mass or weight of less than 10% of the other 2 stars. This is not the only Earth-like planet scientists have discovered. Another planet, TOI 1231b, had made the headlines due to its peculiar environment. The discovery of this celestial body was made by NASA employees at the Jet Propulsion Laboratory in the United States state of Mexico. Experts could locate the exciting item at a distance of roughly 90 light-years in the night sky. The exoplanet is orbiting a red dwarf, one of the universe's tiniest stellar representatives. Scientists instantly noticed that the newly discovered planet is strikingly similar to our planet. The celestial body needs only 24 days to orbit its host star. TOI 1231b can be confidently classed as Earth-like in terms of its average surface temperatures. It's one of the coldest known exoplanets with an average surface temperature of 134 degrees Fahrenheit. Similar transit planets exhibit searing hot surface temperatures of several hundred or even thousands of degrees in most cases. Experts also believe that the planet's atmosphere contains clouds. According to preliminary findings, the object's natural protective shell is hydrogen, yet steady findings suggest that the celestial body's surface might be studded with liquid water. While these preliminary discoveries have sparked dramatic speculation, further research is needed to completely comprehend the nature and particular properties of the interesting exoplanet. NASA scientists expect to learn more about the planet's chemical makeup as part of this research. The subject of how often or seldom water clouds occur around the exoplanet will also be addressed in the future. Kepler 452. There is no getting around this planet when it comes to Earth-like celestial bodies. The Kepler Space Telescope, which assisted in the discovery of the object, is responsible for the planet's name. The newly discovered Kepler 452b is the tiniest planet ever found orbiting a G2-type star similar to our Sun. In the habitable zone, the region around a star where liquid water could pool on the surface of an orbiting planet. The addition of Kepler 452b to the list of confirmed planets brings the total number to 1,030. Kepler 452b is a super-Earth-sized planet with a diameter of 60% that of Earth. While the planet's mass and composition have yet to be determined, previous research indicates that planets the size of Kepler 452b are likely to be rocky. While Kepler 452b is slightly larger than Earth, its orbit is only 5% longer at 385 days. The planet is 5% farther away from its parent star, Kepler 452, than the Sun is. Kepler 452 is 6 billion years old, 1.5 billion years older than our Sun, has the same temperature as our Sun, is 20% brighter, and has a 10% larger diameter. In addition to confirming Kepler 452b, the Kepler team has discovered 521 new exoplanet candidates from observations made between May 2009 and May 2013, bringing the total number of planet candidates found by the Kepler mission to 4,696. Follow-up observations and analysis are required to confirm that the candidates are real planets. We know frighteningly little about the universe, a vast open sea. We believed that our planet was the only one in the universe. However, as time passed, many more planets and galaxies were discovered. There are many more planets that scientists have discovered and many more that are yet to be discovered. But that's a different story altogether.